Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Talitani and I give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, I give the headline them. Deputy Superintendent of Police Raymond Wilson get hurt yesterday in an accident near the Sir Florizel Glasspole Highway in East Kingston. One driver and one passenger get hurt after 3 Jamaica Urban Transit JUTC bus get stolen in a 3-mile St. Andrew Tuesday evening. The police are reported them all on one semi-automatic gun were having bullet in our operation we're going on Browns Lane in a central village, St. Catherine. Make sure when you follow our YouTube page, Braadkyaas Jamiekan, for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full story them. Deputy Superintendent of Police Raymond Wilson get hurt yesterday morning after the vehicle him when a driving a crash before dropping at the sea. This happened near the Sir Florizel Glasspole Highway in East Kingston. Braadkyaas Wilson, who was the chairman for the Jamaica Police Federation for some years, got hospital for some x-ray do, cause him think him foot when broken at the accident. Nobody know how him do now though. The accident happened with one another car and it caused traffic to move slow on the road were usually busy. One driver and one passenger get hurt after 3 Jamaica Urban Transit JUTC bus get stolen in a 3-mile St. Andrew Tuesday evening. The company put out one tweet to tell passenger so things might have moved slow. In the tweet, them say, all of the Portmore bus them will come out from halfway tree and get sent to Mandela Highway cause of what happened. The police say them are looking at what going. The Fisherman's Cooperative Beach in a Montego Bay get fixed up after the people from the Sandals Foundation from Sandals Montego Bay and Sandals Royal Caribbean Resort clean up more 700 pounds of garbage and things were dashed up on the beach last week Friday to celebrate International Coastal Cleanup Day ICC. Sake of the COVID rule them, the things them where the International Coastal Cleanup Day would have do in a 1 day in a September get spread to more 1 weekend in October and November. The people them were help out full up whole heap of bag with things were wash up on the beach, like a plastic and glass buckle, clothes, things from outer people house, sandbag and car battery. The Ocean Conservancy in Texas start the ICC and it's one of the biggest events where people can help out around the world. And more 100 countries do the event a year time. The police are reported them all on one semi-automatic gun were having bullet in our operation we're going on Browns Lane in a central village, St. Catherine. Nobody na get locked up for the door. The police said them find the gun with no license in our building where nobody na use when time them went and search the area Monday. Police are looking at things same way. Now for liquor sports. Brianna Williams, who win a sprint relay gold medal at the Tokyo Olympics, when among some people will get the Heritage Award in a Sunrise, Florida, Sunday gone. The Consulate General for Jamaica to South USA big up the 19-year-old Olympian as a youth leader and for global excellence. The Consul General to South USA, Oliver Meir, who geared the award, say, Brianna is a shining example to Jamaicans at home and abroad of what you can achieve when hard work, dedication, and commitment backed by God-given talent. Mayor said people were living in a Brianna community in a Miramar, in a South Florida, and close to Dessa, have party for watch the Olympics, where she run the first leg in the 4x100 meter relay team will win the gold medal. The Consulate General of Jamaica Heritage Award make for bigger people and business in the Jamaican community where the things will stand out and get years of service. People, remember the curfew are from 8 o'clock in the night to 5 o'clock in the morning. Me name Talitani and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.